Hi there, this is instructor Sarah Schweiger, and I wanted to show you something that happened to me when I was working in Photoshop. And I had to do a little research online to figure out why it was happening. I need to edit this header. It's a flattened header, so I need to replace the copy, but I needed to find out what this color was to replace the copy. So the first thing that I did was I tried to get the color using my eyedropper tool. But as you can see, when I selected the copy, you can tell it's not like a pure white. It's kind of a gray white. And as you can see, when I select it, it says it's gray. There's no way it's that gray. And when I clicked over here, it gave me the blue. And when I clicked over here, it didn't give me this red. So I knew something was up. So I went online, and a good resource if you ever have any problems is to go to the Adobe community. And in here, you can search like, color picker, not working, is what I kind of did. I kind of Googled it first. And sure enough, someone else had the same problem, and that's how I figured out the solution. So I'm going to show you what the solution was, but just in the future, if you go to Adobe Community, so to get there, just go to http //community.adobe.com, and they have every piece of software, including stock photography. If you have a question, come in here and someone's going to have the answer for you. And if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always leave a question in here, and someone from the Adobe Experts team will come in and they look at the questions that come in and see if they can solve them for you. So just as a resource going forward, I recommend that. So to get my answer, do you see the sample size? This is 101 by 101 average. Now, I did not choose that. When I opened up Adobe Photoshop, that's how it was selected when I selected the eyedropper tool. So if I change this back to point sample and I use my eyedropper tool, it's going to give me accurate color every single time. So something to keep in mind going forward. Just little things like that happen and you don't know why. And I recommend that Adobe Community Board, because that's the kind of thing that as you go through either in the working world or in your classes, I recommend using that, and it's super helpful. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take care.